Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic. So if you want to see what's inside in Look Fantastic February 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. And also, lovelies, before I start, I'm really sorry for my appearance today, but it's Sunday. It's a lazy Sunday for me, and I'm not really feeling well. But this box came on Sunday today, and I'm really curious what's inside, so I really wanted to unbox with you, lovelies. If you're new to Look Fantastic, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month, including the shipping fee, and every month you will receive 6 beauty products from skincare to makeup. But they have also some subscription plans, so if you subscribe to them for a year, I think it will cost you only £13, and if you subscribe for 6 months, it will cost you £13.75, and for 3 months, for around like that. And as always, lovelies, all the info, all the link will be in the description box below. And lovelies, if you hear voices, my kids at home, it's Sunday, so yes, they are like playing downstairs. So yes, let's open this box. Ooh, love the color for this month. So this month color, it's pink. It's my favorite color, so I will keep this box. Let's open this box. And here it says, you glow differently when you are happy. Hashtag LF Beauty Box. So here we go. And then we have the booklet, which is a thumbs up. And this month theme is self-love is in the air. Let's see first the sneak peek. I'm really curious the sneak peek for next month. So for next month, lovelies, it's from Sichuan Volume Styling Cream. And this one has 125 ml. I think this is a full size. And it says, replenish your threeses with the Sichuan Volume Styling Cream. The fast-absorbing cream utilizes ocean silk technology to drench your locks in moisture, minimizing the look of split ends and flyaways. Ideal for people prone to flat, tired-looking hair, as the nourishing ingredients work to promote a more volumized aesthetic. This is for me. Can't wait to try it. And I tried few products from this pan, and it's really good. The smells is gorgeous, so I can't wait to try this one. And then it says here, editor's notes, all you need is self-love. With the weather outside still a little cold and those January blues still lingering around, cuddle up to Beauty Box this February for some serious self-loving. This is our shrine to self-love and knowing your self-worth. A collection of beautiful products to inspire the creative side and indulge and pamper your complexion for the ultimate date night look. Our heads together here at BBHQ to ensure you have the best February possible. So whatever your plans for this month, there's something completely inspiring, dripping with love to get your teeth into. From our fabulously pink monthly theme to a whole host of exciting limited edition we've got going on. Cupid approved, of course, but I wanted to use this space for a small shout out this month. The shout out is for you, whether this box is a gift for yourself, someone you love, if you are a subscriber, or it's not a one-time thing. We're celebrating what it means to be authentically yourself. Self-love truly starts at home, and a little bit of self-pampering goes a long way. If you're looking good, you will feel gorgeous from the outside in. I hope you love this month box as much as we do. So we have all the selection of the products inside, and this month, lovely, they put like 9 products in here, or 11 products in this booklet. And it says each beauty box contains a selection of these must-have products. Which will you receive? So yes, it's quite a surprise. So yes, let's see each one. So let's open this box, lovelies, and let's see each product. I think I have 7 products in here, but yes, I already saw one product that, oh my god, I already have this product, like 4 of this product. But anyway, let's start with the spoiler for this month. And this is so tiny, lovelies. I was expecting a much bigger, but it's so tiny. This is from Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. I love this product. I use it a lot. At the moment, I'm using, lovelies, this one here, which is the Rose Tonic. I was thinking will be like this size, like 40 ml, but no, it's 15 ml, and it's so tiny. It's really a tiny product. I think you will use this one for only a week. So yes, I was expecting like a bigger size one, not a full size, but like a little bigger than this. So yes, and this one, it doesn't say here how much is it. I will pop it here as always, but here it says restore balance to your complexion with this ultra refining glow tonic from Pixie, powered by glycolic acid to gently buff away dead skin and impurities. The purifying treatment helps to refine the appearance of pores and stimulates cell renewal to create a brighter and clearer canvas. Yes, as I said, I really enjoy using this one. It's like a mild toner, so it's not really harsh on my skin, and it's very moisturizing one because, as you know, I have dry skin. So yes, this is a thumbs up. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Glow, water only makeup removers. We have 2 hard pads inside, so I think this is just like a sample size, a trial size. Yeah, so it's just soft. We received a makeup remover from this brand before, but in different like different size, different shape. So yeah, it's soft. It says this, the luxuriously soft material that covers the pads glides across the skin, effortlessly removing makeup, dirt, and grime. You can also be kind to the environment while being kind to your skin, as the pads are washable, so you can continue to use them again and again. So yes, here is the product. And then the next one we have here, and this is from BYB Clarity Cleanse Daily Gel Cleanser. It has 20 ml, so, and I think this is just a deluxe sample size because it's tiny. And it says a combination of powerful antimicrobial and antiseptic ingredients, including rosemary and cypress, help to break down the dirt, grime, and oil, and smell like a minty forest. Your skin feels truly cleansed and clear, but not stripped. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum. I received this one before, lovelies, and I tried it, and to be honest, products from this brand, it doesn't work on my skin. It doesn't do anything to my skin, so I'm not really fan of this brand. And it has 5 ml and it's tiny. I think this is just a deluxe sample size too. And it says the Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum promotes a radiant supercharged contour equipped with hard hitting ingredients, but the formula seeks to minimize the look of puffiness. Elderberry flower complex energizes the nourishes, helping to rejuvenate the delicate eye area. And the next one we have here, lovely. Gonna cry, lovely, sorry. So the other 3 products in this box is not on the leaflet, so there's no description of everything. But yeah, one of the products that I received is the Lottie London, same shade, in the shade Haze. I think I have like 4 of this one, and I gave it away, some of this blush, and I still have like 2-3 in here. And yes, I received another one. I can't. So yes, I received that one, and then I received another one of this. I think I received this one before too, in previous boxes. This is from Beauty Pro, the Full Therapy Collagen Infused Booty Collagen Sweet Almond Peppermint, which is I don't really mind receiving this one, to be honest, lovelies, because I use it and it's really good. Like, it's very moisturizing one. It's refreshing on my feet after a long day. This one, it does help me. So yes, I don't really mind receiving another one of this. And then the last one we have here, and this is from Dr. Botanica's Lemon Superfood all-in-one rescue butter. This one is 50 ml. I won't open it, lovelies, because I tried this one before. It doesn't work on my skin. From this brand, I think I tried a few and it doesn't work on my skin, so I think I'll give this one away. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. Let's do our recap. So I think everyone will receive like these 4 products. I think like this one here, the Pixie, I think you will receive this one. I think you will receive also this one from COLLAB, the makeup remover pads, 2 makeup remover pads, and then this one, the BYB Clarity Cleanse Daily Gel Cleanser, and this one from Balance Me Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum. And then this one, I think it will be like different from other boxes, but I received the Dr. Botanical Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter, the Beauty Pro Full Therapy Collagen Infused Booty, and the Lotte London in the shade Haze. And honestly, lovelies, I'll be honest with you, I'm not really impressed this math box. There's too many repeats item. I feel like they are getting rid of old stock, in my opinion, because I am pretty sure we received already this product before, like the Lotte. I know this one we received on December, and this one I think too on around December, November. Yes, we received this product before, and honestly, the products here, I know look fantastic. They give like deluxe sample travel size products, but for 15 pounds, lovelies, I expect more, to be honest. The OK Beauty box, lovelies, it's 15 pounds, but they give you like 4-5 full-size products. So yes, I'm really quite, I feel like underwhelmed this month and quite disappointed, to be honest. I think this is not their best box. It's just my opinion. Yes, that's all for my lovelies. And you lovelies, what do you think of this month box? Did you receive it? Are you waiting for this month box? What did you receive? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.